Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. I'm Sandy, and I'm so happy that you are here with me. Today, I'm going to show you how to glam up dollar store candle and tea light holders for only a few dollars. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativdiy.com for all the details. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. For the first three designs, we will need up to 5 silver square bowls from Dollar Tree. The ones I'm using come in a pack of 4 and have a mirror-like finish. We will also need up to 8 round silver tea light holders from the Dollarama, up to 4 short silver candle holders from Dollar Tree, and our handy-dandy glue gun. To begin, turn one of the silver square bowls upside down and then hot glue it to the bottom of one of the round silver tea light holders. Repeat these steps, but each additional step should be taller than the last one. Here's what mine looks like so far. Then for our next two designs, we will sandwich one of the short silver candle holders in between two of the round silver tea light holders and place that onto the bottom of one of the silver square bowls. And here is what the next set of Glam candle holders look like. And here you can see that I have also glued one of the short silver candle holders to the bottom of one of the silver square bowls as well. For our final design, we will need a pool noodle, a small clear glass bowl, or here you'll see I'll be using a small plastic bowl instead. The ones I found at the Dollar Tree come in a pack of 12. We will also need some silver glitter contact paper. I found this at the Dollarama. We will also need some silver rope, also from the Dollarama, and some silver beaded necklace. And along with our handy dandy glue gun, we will also need some tacky glue. To begin, measure and cut to size both the pool noodle and the contact paper. Mine will be cut to 12 inches. Then wrap the pool noodle with the contact paper and use some tacky glue to secure the two together. We will be using some silver rope to cover the top of the pool noodle where it is exposed, but leave enough space to place the tea light in the center. Then glue the bottom of the pool noodle to the bottom of the clear plastic bowl. Using the same silver rope as before, line the bottom end of the pool noodle as well. For the final embellishments, use some hot glue to adhere a string of silver beaded necklace to the outer rim of the clear plastic bowl. And here is the final look of our Glam Pool Noodle Tea Light Holder. Comment down below or give me a thumbs up to let me know what you think. Personally, I like all of the candle holder designs and have chosen to set them all across my fireplace mantle. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY Glam project. I hope to see you all soon.